Hello guy, in this tutorial today we'll be start to know about what is the meaning for the equation. We start this is in to see what is the meaning about the mathematical languages as a definition, the equation. So many types, so many things, so many methods to know about how will be solved the equation. But actually, we'll be start now to know about what is the so many different for the equation. Let to start with us, and please listen carefully about this is, and you can show this is a clip, and you can to repeat again to understand, and you get very perfect knowledge in order to know about how will be solved any problem for the equation. Now, in this is equation, mathematics, what is the meaning? The equation meaning about the sentences. Sentences sentence state that express to the equal should be meaning to the equal both side for the equation. Both sides like this when you added when you minus this here the subtract for like this is example for equation 12 minus 3 equal 9. Now meaning this is equation as sentences for that is should be this side equal this side, and here 8 plus 4 equal 12. This is equation also, this is a sentences for the equation adopting about this is in order to get the 12 as equal for 8 plus 4. This definition about the symbol meaning about for the equation. Now the equation for that a mathematical, this is sentences with an equal sign. Equal sign, yani meaning that any equation should be have the equal sign. Any equation about these sentences, you see 16 minus 5 equal 11, meaning this is equation. This is not normal, but this is equation because have the equal. Also here 14 plus 3 equals 17 is definition for the equation. So equal sign meaning, what is the meaning for equal sign? For this is, if somebody asks, what is the meaning equal? Meaning that the amount is the same on the both sides. When you see this equal, this amount 4 plus 2 meaning equal 6. So 5 minus 3 equal 3. So the equal sign meaning this side equal this side. This side equal this side. This is the meaning about the equal. So in this scale will be see the equation as that example. Will be know this side should be make balance with this side. An equation is the like a balance of a scale. Everything must be equal on both sides. This is meaning the scale. Again, any equation is like a balance between this side and this side. Scale everything for this side must be equal this side. For example, 10, we get 5 plus 5 in this side. This side 10, and this side 5 plus 5 in this side. So equal meaning this side equal this side. when you said before, this is the previously slide about this is in order to know about that. To repeat it, you can return back to the another site in order to know what is the meaning equal. So in this scale also we have here when now we are not want to explain. We want to explain the scale. What is the meaning for that? So he said when the amount are equal on the both sides in the truth equation. When this side equal this side, meaning this is the truth equation. Truth equation. This is the first name of the equation or first type of equation. When anybody asks you what is the meaning truth equation, meaning the both side equal same. Side the left side equal the right side. This is the meaning the truth equation. So in this side we have 12. On the left side we have 12 and this is a scale. And must be this side equal both the value in order to get equal 12. We get it here 6 plus 6, 8 plus 4, 10 plus 2. Should be this amount equal this amount. Now this is the balance of the scale, meaning the truth equation. Truth equation make balance both sides. Another type of the equation. Here in this slide will be know about what is the meaning the second type of the scale. Here he said when the amount are unequal, no equal both sides. On both sides it is false equation. False equation. When this side not equal this side, this name or this type of equation false. This type of equation false. Now this is the second type of equation. First type, truth equation. Second type, false equation. Will be see this example. Here we have 8. Another side, he said 2 plus 2 is not 8, it's 4. So this is not equal. That's why this is the false equation. Anybody ask you what is the meaning false equation? False equation meaning the side in the equation is not equal the other side. So the third type of the equation. When an amount is unknown on the side of the equation, it is an open equation. Now, in this case, we'll be understand or we'll be learning if we have here unknown amount like n, a, x, z, any letter or any unknown value, meaning this equation are open equation. Open equation, meaning because we are not unknown, we are not know about what is the value about this is the type of the letters. Now we'll be see this is the example also. Here we have in this side, left side as a 7 and equal will be see equal or not equal or opening will be see now we see here n plus 2. This equation called open equation. Why open equation? Because we have here in another side unknown value or unknown amount or unknown any number, any letters. That's why we have here x, z, m, q, y, any letters. When you see like this equation, this is open equation. Now we have three types of equation: truth equation, false equation, and open equation. You see, we want here in this example to transfer this is open equation to the truth equation. How will we do this? Now will be see when you find a number for your change to the open equation to the truth equation, you solve the equation. In order to solve this equation, or put this is the number, or putting to change this is the letter to the some number in order to become balance between this side and this side, we are transfer this is open equation to the truth equation. Will be see how will we do this. See, when we change this is n, when you see this n to 5, we get 5 plus 2, it's become 7. It's become 7. So this is now the truth equation. We transfer from unknown equation to the truth equation. Here we have something in order to understand what is the meaning for this example. What is the name for each one of this example? Here will be try to do about this is, are these equations truth, false, or open? 11 minus 3 equal 5 is truth or false or open equation? Stop the video and answer, and after that you can get this is this false, because 11 minus 3 is not 5, it is 9, is 8. You see here 13 plus 4 equals 7, this is truth. 13 plus 4, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, this is truth. This is truth equation. Here we have here the letter, we unknown the amount here, that's why this is, what is this when we see this like this in the equation? This open equation, this open equation, because we have here the letter, we unknown this number, that's why it is open equation. Here 12 minus 3 equal 8, this truth, false, or open? This false. This false, because 12 minus 3 is not equal 8. Here, this is, we have here also the letter in on the amount. What is the meaning this? This is open. This open equation. This is open equation because here the letter we doesn't know what is the meaning this. And this truth, because this is 15 minus 6 equal 9. 9 plus 6 equal 15. That's why this is the truth equation. Now, please stop the clip, and after that you can try to know about what is the meaning. Here, inverse operation, العمليات العكسية. Inverse operation, meaning this is the upside the operation, change, transfer the number from this side to other side. That's why we see here 4 plus 3 equals 7. When we get it, this 7 here, we get the 4 there, should be changed, the minuses become 3. Okay, 3 equal 7 this plus change after you transfer to the other side is become when you transfer. If you keep it 3 or you keep it 4 or same anything like this is now in this case in this equation we take 3 outside, keep it 3 outside and put 7 outside. We take it this plus to change to the minus. That's why it's become 3. Here 6 times 6 36. Meaning, what is the meaning 36? 36 divided by 6, the inverse about the x. That's why it's become 6. This is the inverse operation. You see here how to solve an addition equation. We have the both maths about for that. You must understand, or you can return to another video for the both math in order to start by order about the operation for the mathematician. That's why now we are use here about how we are use the open equation in order to know about the value about this is amount. What is the amount for that? How will be solved this is. Use the inverse operation. That's why we are using here the inverse operation in order to transfer amount from other side, from this side to other side in order to understand how it will be solved this problem. Now m plus 8 equals 12. That's why 12 he start here. I am transfer this 8 outside. Here it's become, because I take it 8 with the sign. You must to know, understand, you when you transfer any number, you take it with this sign. That's why when I transfer this 8, I change plus to minus. I change this plus to minus. That's why it's become 12 minus 8, it's become 4. Now this is truth equation. I transfer this is from open equation to truth equation. Here m minus 8 equal 4. That's why we are here. Also I will be try to transfer, will be give me the hands for that about 4 plus 8 equal 12, because this minus when I transfer 8 I changing to minus to plus in order to get 4 plus 8 equal 12. This meaning, this operation called in the mathematical language as inverse operation. Inverse operation, العمليات العكسية. Use the inverse operation for the subtract. We get the, for this slide, we get the addition slide, addition operation. Now this is subtract operation and inverse operation. So how will be solve the subtract equation? How will be solve this is same process and same method will be do it about this is in order to transfer to other side by change the sign in another plus become minus, minus become plus. That's why m equal 5 plus 3 equal 8. Now m 8 is the value of the amount of m. Here m equal 8, meaning 8 minus 3 is 5. Sorry, here is something missing. I am sorry about that. This is wrong to typing. Will be see another example in order to understand this is. Sorry. Here for many example for that. That's why we'll be try to solve this is. Will be get how much this solve this is equation. Will be get in order to understand how will be solved an equation by using the inverse operation. العمليات العكسية أو عمليات التحويل أو عمليات النقل من جانب الأيمن إلى الجانب الأيسر لإيجاد قيمة المجهول اللي هو n, m, s, x, any numbers, any letter, sorry, about this is. Now in this case, n plus 4 equals 7. How much the value about n? I transfer this 4 to 7, it's become minus, the 7 minus 4, it's become how much? It's 3, should be 3. Now 3. You see? This 3 coming out because I transferred this 4 here. It's become -4, 7 minus 4, it's become 3. Here, n minus 5 equal 4. When I transfer the 5 here, it's changed the sign to my plus. It's become 4 plus 5, it's become 9. Here, n plus 4 equals 17. When I transfer 4 on this side, I change this to the minus, it's become 17 minus 4, it's become 13. Here, n minus 6 equal 13. How much? The value about the amount for n. When I transfer the 6 with the sign, it's become 13 plus 6, it's become 19. Here, in this equation also, we have here amount. We want to know about how much this amount. N plus 7 equal 15. I transfer this 7 plus 7 to the other side and change the sign. It's become 15 minus 7. It's become 8. In this case also, I will be transfer minus 8 outside. This is equal to other side. I will come also to change this sign to the plus. It's become 17 plus 8 equal 9. Now you can use this again, an equation or any open equation to transfer to the truth equation by transfer or inverse the operation بالعملية العكسية اللي هي تحويلها من هذا المكان إلى مكان من هذا الطرف إلى الطرف الآخر from this side to other side. So here we have also about equation in order to understand this is max question, max example in order to know how will be solved this is. So about in this case we'll be try to know about it. For 5 plus 4 equal 9. That's why I transfer this is 5 to the other side. This is the truth. Meaning 5 plus 4 equal 9. 5 plus 4 is equal 9. I plus B equals C. This is also plus. That's why. This operation here, it is meaning the commutative property. عمليات التبديل هي عمليات أو سياقات التبديل من قيمة إلى قيمة أخرى هو السيم. يعني عمليات التبديل عندما نقوم بتبديل أو جعل meaning about commutative property, meaning we are using another subject for the equation. ويجعل موضوع المعادلة لقيمة أخرى غير القيمة اللي هي موجودة عليها بس بنفس القيم الموجودة بالمعاملة بس same the amount, same the value about this equation, just only to try to know about how will be commutative about property and for that. That's why here 5 plus 4 equal n. When you change this is 4. You see here 4 plus 5 9. Same. I plus B equal C. It's become this quantitative يعني تبديل عمليات تبديل القيم. A plus B equals C. That's why B plus A equals C. You see, same. 6 plus 3 equal 9. If I say 3 plus 6 also 9. X plus Y equals Z. Y plus X equals Z. Same. 3 plus 4 plus 1 equal 8. 3 plus 4, 7 plus 1, 8. That's why 1 plus 3 plus 4 equals 7. Sorry about this. This is my picture. Here. Solve this equation. Use the commutative property. That's why also same. استخدام خاصية التبديل سنقوم بحل هذه القيم. Here. Open equation. We have here open equation because we have here n plus 7 equals 7 plus 4 equal n equal 4. Why? Because here 7, when I transfer here is because minus 7 plus 7 minus 7 cancellation it's become 4 and equal 4. This is should be before I just here, and this is rotation. I want to know about the process for the equation and type of the equation, not how will be solve an equation. We have so many video in the YouTube. You can return back to this in order to know how we will be solve many different type of the equation. M plus 2 equal to plus 5. How much this? It's become n equal 5. How come this? When I transfer this is plus 8, it's become minus 2. It's become minus 2 with the plus 2, it's become cancellation. It's become 5. Z plus 3 equal 3 plus 9. How much become? It's become Z equal 9. How? Because I transfer this is in other side, it's become change the minus. Here plus, it's cancel. It's become 9. Here, J plus 6 equals 6 plus 11. When I transfer here, the 6 cancel with the 6 because change the sign has become minus, with the plus has become 0. That's why plus 11. S plus 4 equal 4 plus 20. When I transfer also same operation, I cancel it. It's become S equal 20. C plus 8 equal 8 plus 32. Sorry, cancel also there. Same canceling. It's become C equal 32. Now the identity property of the addition. Now property of addition. هنا عملية الجمع. كيف يقوم بعملية الجمع استنادا إلى كل العمليات اللي قمنا بها من equation. We are now returning to the previously about this is the beginning at the type of the equation as a truth, false, and open equation in order how will be solved depending about reserved operation or competitive property. Now we'll be try to solve this equation. Here we have 7 plus 0 equals 7. Why? Because I am 0. Any 0. This is 7 plus 0 is 7. Here A plus 0 equal A. Why? Because any number adds to 0. It's same the number. Now this is example, how will be treatment with the 0? When you get the 0 in the equation, how will be treatment with this and how will be solve this equation? Any number plus minus 0, it's becomes same the number, it's becomes still same the number. 8 plus 0, it's 8. C as 8 is 6. And 2 plus 0 is 2. Now we have also here same. Open equation, how will be treatment with the 0 in the open equation? Same process. Use the identity property of the addition to solve this property. يعني how will be try to use this is in the open equation. Same when you solve truth equation and false equation. Same the process about this is actually in the mathematics we have so many type or so many methods in order to solve the equation. But just we want to make many practice in order to understand or get more knowledge in order to how will be solved. That's why we need to work hard in order to make so many practice about this. But just you must to understand the process and you get the point key how will be solved this is problem. This is the mathematics. Mathematics is very easy in order to understand, in order just we search about the key in order to solve the equation and solve the question. Here also n plus 9, it's become n equal 9 equal 8. Here b plus 0 equal b equal 7. Here m plus 0 equal 3, thus m equal 3. Same. Here, because my picture here, sorry, is r plus 0 equal 2. That's why r equal 2. W equal 4. Now here also we have the subtract rules of 0. Here in this equation we are subtract here. You see this sign as called in the mathematics as a subtract. Not added, not divided, not time. Here we get 7 minus 7 equal 0. Here find the value of the using the rule of the subtract. We transfer direct to the example. N minus 8 equals 0. How we get? We get n equal 8. N equal 9. Because I get here, it's become, I transfer this is to her process, it's become minus 9. Because here in this example, I just only do it to transfer this amount to other side and change the sign to the plus. N minus 0 equals 7, n equals 7. N minus 0 equal 9 is n equal 9. N equal 7. N equal 5.